if you can see here, this is a bag filter in the industry. It's very big. It consumes a lot of space. Okay, so inside the bag filter, it has many filter fabric here. Okay, so kat dalam ni akan ada banyak. So this is comparison of using either setting chamber, cyclone, wet scrubber, bag filter, and also electrostatic precipitator, and the size of the pollutant of the particulate. So bag filter among the efficient one for smaller particles. So again, this is working principle of a bag house filter. Okay, dirty gas in, dirty air in will be in at the bottom, and then will enter the fabric, and then will be out as clean air. Okay, so dekat dalam ni dia akan filter the particulates. So after sometimes particulate akan banyak dekat dalam filter bags ni. Okay, so dia akan clog. Okay, so the top of fabric sealed to prevent air exit, and the bottom of the bag is open to allow the entry of the air. Okay, so how we can clean the filter bags? Because after clean up, so the particulate will be collected at the bottom in the collection hopper. Okay, so normally it will be used how to clean the filter bags by shaking. Okay, so all the particulates that trapped on the surface will be settled, will be fall in this collection hopper. So dia akan shake benda ni, so particulate akan jatuh, and then a particulate will be okay. Equipment number 5 is the electrostatic precipitator. So electrostatic precipitator, it has two types: the low voltage 2-stage and high voltage single stage units. Electrostatic precipitator also, of course, will be used voltage as the source of energy. So it employed mainly in conjunction with air conditioning system for hospitals and also commercial installation. It can be used mainly to collect liquid particles and not recommended for control of solid or sticky materials. So this is example for high voltage single stage unit. For high voltage, normally it use about 30,000 to 100,000 voltage range. This for high voltage, normally used at large industrial plant such as coal-fired utility boiler. For electrostatic precipitator, it requires 4 basic steps in the operation. So the first one is the electrical charging of the particulates. Okay, so particulate will be in from the left side, and then it will be charged. Next, step number 2, collection of charged particles on the grounded surface. Okay, so this is the electrode, so it will be collected. Step number 3 is the neutralization of the charge at the collector. Okay, you can see here flue gas coming in. So the plate, this is the plate yang bercharge. So at first tadi particulate dah dichargekan. So particulate bercharge, plate pun bercharge, so dia akan attach. And then step number 3, the neutralization of the charge at the collector. So charge tu akan neutralize, and then bila dia neutralize, dia akan jatuh. Okay, because no more attached to the plate. And then step number 4, removal of the particulate for disposal. So bila dia jatuh, it can be collected. Okay, in the hoppers. So yang keluar adalah clean flue gas. Okay, again, this is the plate. Okay, metal collection plate where it will be attract the charged particulate. And then step number 3 tadi akan berlaku neutralization of the charged particle. Bila dia dah neutralize, so the normal attached to the plate, so dia akan jatuh dekat hopper. Hopper ni akan collect all the particulates. And lastly, clean gas will be out at the other side. Okay. So 4 basic steps you have to remember. So this is how in industry the ESP, okay, all the plates inside here. Okay, very big equipment. And these are the advantages and disadvantages. A wide application, 99 removal efficiency, can handle large volume of gases, low pressure drop, can operate continuously with little maintenance, and also can be used to collect acid or tar mist. So the disadvantages cannot be used with explosive materials because it uses a very high voltage. High voltage also akan menyebabkan high installation cost, require great deal of space, as you can see just now, a very big equipment. It only can operate at peak efficiency within limited temperature range and may use excessive power if build up of collected material cause spark over, and lastly inefficient if build up ataupun berlaku corona discharge. Okay, this is electrostatic precipitator. Okay, the basic concept, 4 steps tadi, you must remember happen in the plate. Okay, and then we will do some exercise. Okay, how to choose a collector? Okay, depends on those factors. Okay, the size of the particles, because not all small particles can be used at certain collector. Okay, for example, the first one, gravitational settling chamber only can be used for large particle. Okay, and then require collection efficiency, the size of the gas flow, the allowed time between cleaning, and also the nature of the particles. For example, if moist particles, tak boleh guna fabric because they can clog. Okay. Sticky particles must be collected either throwaway devices or into a liquid. Okay, contohnya scrubber, cyclone, and also a filter or wet ESP. Okay, so this one you can read by yourself. Okay, next is tutorial. After this, I will give a question for tutorial.